In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Google Drive to ChatGPT. So if you go ahead and connect Google Drive to your ChatGPT account, this will enable you to add or share files from any of the Google Drive app, such as Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and others to your ChatGPT messages. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your ChatGPT account, and then once you're logged in, head over to this account icon here on top, and then tap on it and look for settings. From settings, scroll down until you see the option called connected apps. Now under this, you see we have quite a number of apps that we can connect to your ChatGPT account, and among them we have Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, personal, and also work or for school. For a case we want to connect Google Drive, and you're told that this app will allow you to add files to ChatGPT messages, and this will include the ability to upload Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and other files. To connect, just go ahead and tap on connect, choose the email for your Google Drive and tap on it, and now here your account is now connected, and you can see it now here. It is already connected. Now from here henceforth, you can now easily share information between Google Drive and ChatGPT. Now should you want to share any information from the above tools, let me show you how you can do it. Just come here to a new tab or any of the thread that you are using or you are on in ChatGPT, and then tap on the plus. From here, tap on add from apps and then choose Google Drive. And this will take you to your Google Drive and select any of the file that you want to share. And now from here, go ahead and select any of the file that you want to share to ChatGPT. And you can do so by just selecting it and then tap on select. Then this will go ahead and load it to ChatGPT, as you can see it here. If I tap on it, you can see this is the document. And this is the document that I have just shared with ChatGPT. And one of the things you can do here is to extract the information from this document. For instance, I've just asked it to extract the third paragraph. If I go ahead, you can see here's the third paragraph from that document. If I go to the document, let me look for the third paragraph, and here it is. It has been extracted successfully. So you can make this document communicate with ChatGPT in an amicable way. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, kindly support by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.